Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the numbers from 700 to 800. 700 to 800. In these numbers, you can see the content. What is the content? There are four main contents. One is the numbers from 700 to 800. It's a counting. Next, numbers name. You can read the numbers name. Place the value of HTO like 100, tens and the ones, and last one the some problems you can solve that. The problems of related to 700 to 800. Okay, students, you can see this counting from 700 to 800. Okay, anyone, can you see the counting from 701 to 710? Okay, see this. Then count the numbers from
701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710.
Yes, very good students. You can count the numbers from 701 to 710. Next counting from 711 to 720. The numbers from 711, 712, 713, 714, 715, 716, 717, 718, 790, 720. Yes. Let's begin. Who can count the number from next 721 to 730? Yes. Let's counting the numbers from 721 to 730. 721, 722, 723, 724, 725, 726, 727, 728, 729, 730. Yes, next number 731, 732, 733, 734, 735, 736, 737, 738, 739, 740. Okay, let's begin from the number 741 to 750. 741, 742, 743, 744, 745, 746, 747, 748, 749, 750. Yes. Let's start the counting from 751, 752, 753, 754, 755, 756, 757, 758, 759, 760. 761, 760. Let's begin counting the number from 761 to 770. Let's start the counting. 761, 762, 763, 764, 765, 766, 767, 768, 769, 770. Okay, let's begin the students. You can count the numbers from 771 to 770. Let's counting the numbers 771, 772, 773, 774, 775, 776, 777, 778, 779, 780. Yes, this is the counting from 771 to 780. Let's begin. You can start the counting from 781 to 790. Start the counting. 781, 782, 783, 784, 785, 786, 787, 788, 789, 790, 791, 792, 793, 794, 795, 796, 797, 798, 799, 800. Eights. Students, you can learn here the counting from number 701 to 800. Okay, you can see this in this slide. You can see this the numbers name. In this slide, you can see the 701 means the SEVEN. This is the numbers from 7. Next 100, HUNDRED, 100, AND and ONE, 1. You can read this spelling. Likewise, 780, 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710. Okay. In second, you can count the numbers from 711 with its name. Like a 711, SEVEN, 7, HUNDRED, 100, and ELEVEN, 11, 711. The 711, 712, 713, 714, 715, 716, 717, 718, 719, 720. In this slide, you can see the numbers from 701 to 720. Okay, next number 721. Likewise, you can read the spelling of SEVEN, 7, HUNDRED, 100, AND and TWENTY, 20, ONE, 1. 721, 722, 723, 724, 725, 726, 727, 728, 729, 730. Okay, let's see. You can count here the number from 721, 721, 721, 722, 723, 724, 725, 726, 727, 728, 729, 730. Let's begin. You can count the number 731 to 740. You can read here the spelling of ACVEN 7, HUNDRED 100, AND and THIRTY 30 ONE 1. Likewise, you can read the spelling of 731, 732, 734, 735, 735, 736, 737, 738, 739, 740, 741. You can count the number of 741 and read its spelling ACVEN 7, HUNDRED 100, and FORTY 40 ONE 1, 741, 742, 743, 744, 745, 746, 747, 748, 749, 750. Let's begin. Next number you can count 751, 751, 752, 753, 754, 755, 756, 757, 758, 759, 760. Let's begin the numbers name from 761, 761, 762, 763, 764, 765, 766, 767, 768, 769, 770. Let's begin. You can count the numbers from 771, 772, 773, 774, 775, 776, 777, 778, 779, 780. Students, you can we are learn about the numbers from 761 to 780. Next number you can count the numbers from 781, 782, 783, 784, 785, 786, 787, 788, 789, 790. Let's counting the numbers from 761 to 790. Is a 7 SEVEN 7 HUNDRED 100 and 80 EIGHTY 80 ONE 1. According to this, the numbers name and the numbers counting, you can count from 700 to 800. It's lots. In this slide, you can see the numbers name for 791 to 800. Who can count the numbers? Anyone? Please raise your hand. Yes, you can count the number from SEVEN 7, HUNDRED 100 and NIENETY 90 ONE 1. 791. Likewise this you can count the next number 792, 793, 794, 795, 796, 797, 798, 799 and 800. As students, you can read the numbers from 791 to 800, and in this slide you can see the numbers from 791 to 800. Okay, next HTO. What is the meaning of the H is the hundreds, and place the values of the 100, 200, 300. Likewise, this is the number of boxes, the total 100 boxes. Here 100 boxes. Here how many tens? There are 2 tens, because here one columns you have to attach 10 boxes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. According to the 10 tables, you have to 10 boxes you have to naming of 110. There are 2 tens and here 2 ones. Okay, in this slide we are learn about the solve the problems numbers from 700 to 800. Here the numbers number of 729 is the number 700 plus 2 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 729. Next question 763. In this question you can read 7, 6 and the 3. Here answer is equal to 700. This is the number of 7. You can place the 100. 700 plus 6 is placed 10 and plus 3 is placed 1. Like a 7 SEVEN 7 HUNDRED 100 700 AND and SIXTY 60 THREE 63. Here the 700 plus 6 tens plus 3 ones according to the 763. The question number C, you can see the numbers 766, 76, 700 plus 7 tens plus 6 ones. How many? 700 plus 7 tens plus 6 ones is the numbers from 776. 776 is the number of D. In a question of D, you can read the number 782 plus is equal to answer is equal to 700 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. 700 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 782. Next number 713. In this number, you can count the numbers from 713. 700 plus how many ones? There are 1 tens and plus 3 ones. 700 plus 1 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 713. Yes. 713. Yes. Very good students. You can count the number and read its spelling and also solve the problems according to the numbers from 700 to 800. Okay. In question, last question, who can read the class question? Okay. 799. 799 is the meaning of answer 700 plus 9 tens. How many tens? 9 tens plus 9 ones in a number is placed 700. 100 is placed on 7. That means 700. Tens is placed on 9. Then the 9 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 799. 799. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.